friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Young Minds GK. Today we are going to discuss about first in India. First Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was known as the architect of modern India. He was the chairman of Planning Commission and National Development Council. He signed Panchashil Agreement with China in 1954. He was the founding father of Non-Aligned Movement. He was the Prime Minister during Indo-China War in 1962. His famous books are Discovery of India, Glimpses of World History. The first President of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was known as Bihar Gandhi. He was longest served Indian President, served from 1950 to 1962. He inaugurated the first Asian Games in 1951 held at Delhi. He awarded with the Bharat Ratna in 1962. He started a Hindi weekly called Desh. His books are Satyagraha at Champaran, India Divided, Bapu ke Kadam Mein. Next. First Vice President of India, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was the first Vice President of India and the second President of India. He was known as the father of Rajya Sabha. He was the president to declare national emergency during Indo-China War on October 26, 1962. He was known as Philosopher President. He won Bharat Ratna in 1954. His other awards are Templeton Award, Kendra Sahitya Academy Fellowship. His major books are The Hindu View of Life, The Principal Upanishads, An Idealistic View of Life, Indian Philosophy, and so on. Next. First Speaker of Lok Sabha, G.V. Mavalankar. Ganesh Vasudev Mavalankar was the first Speaker of Lok Sabha. The Speaker of Lok Sabha are elected by the Member of the Parliament of the Lok Sabha. The term of the Speaker of Lok Sabha was 5 years. The present Speaker of Lok Sabha is Om Birla. Next. First Chief Justice of India, H.J. Khania. Harilal J. Khania was the first Chief Justice of India. The retirement age of the Chief Justice of India was 65 years. The Chief Justice of India was elected by the President of India. The present Chief Justice of India was Sharath Arvind Bobde. Next. First Law Minister, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the first Law Minister of India and he was the leader of the backward caste. He attended the Round Table Conference held in London. And he was also known as the father of Indian Constitution and he was the chairman of the drafting committee of Indian Constitution. Next. First Education Minister, Dr. Abdul Kalam Azad. Dr. Abdul Kalam Azad was the first educational minister and the only education minister in India. He founded many universities in India. Next. First Home Minister, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the first Home Minister of India. Gandhiji gave the title Sardar to Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel led the Bardoli Satyagraha in 1930. The Unity of Statue on the banks of river Narmada at Gujarat is built in memory of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Vallabhbhai Patel unified the princely state of India at the time of Indian independence. Next. First Bharat Ratna Award winner, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, C.V. Raman, Rajagopalachari. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was the first Vice President of India and the second President of India who got Bharat Ratna in 1954 along with C.V. Raman and Rajagopalachari. C.V. Raman was the famous Indian scientist who got Nobel Prize also. Rajagopalachari was the first Governor General of Free India. He also got Bharat Ratna Award in 1954. First Nobel Prize winner, Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was the first Indian to win Nobel Prize in 1913 for literature work. The book Gitanjali was his famous book. He wrote the Indian national anthem Janaganaman. Rabindranath Tagore also got knighthood award in 1915, but later in 1919, after Jallianwala Bagh massacre, he returned knighthood award. Next. First Nobel Prize in Physics, C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman was the famous Indian scientist who got Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. He worked on Raman effect. First Nobel in Chemistry, Venkataraman. Venkataraman was the first Indian to got Nobel Prize in Chemistry in the year 2009. First Nobel on Economics, Amartya Sen. Amartya Sen got Nobel Prize in 1998 in the field of economics. He worked in the field of economics. Next, first Nobel in Medicine, Hargobind Khurana. Hargobind was the first Indian origin American scientist who got Nobel Prize in the medical field. First Nobel in Peace, Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa got Nobel Prize in the year 1979. She also got Bharat Ratna Award in 1980. And also she awarded with the Padma Shri Award in 1962 and Raman Magsaysay Award in the same year. She established missionaries of charity at Kolkata. Next, first artificial satellite, Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was the first Indian artificial satellite launched on April 19, 1975. The satellite named Aryabhatta after Indian famous scientist Aryabhatta who lived in the age of Guptas. Aryabhatta proposed heliocentric theory before Copernicus. The heliocentric theory says that the sun is center of the solar system and all planet revolves around it. Next, first space traveler, Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian space traveler who traveled to space with the help of Soviet Union. Next, first moon mission, Chandrayaan-1. Chandrayaan-1 was the first moon mission which was launched on October 22, 2008. Chandrayaan-2 launched in the year 2019. Chandrayaan-1 found water on the surface of the moon. Next, first Mars mission, Mangalyaan. Mangalyaan or MOM, Mars Orbiter mission, was the first Indian Mars mission which was launched in the year 2013. Next, first rocket launching center, Tumba Rocket Launching Center, Thiruvananthapuram. Tumba Rocket Launching Center, Thiruvananthapuram was founded by Vikram Sarabhai, the former chairman of ISRO. Later, the Tumba Rocket Launching Center renamed as Vikram Sarabhai Rocket Launching Center to memorize the contribution of Vikram Sarabhai in the field of astronomy. Next, first scientist nominated to Rajya Sabha, Satyendra Nath Bose. Satyendra Nath Bose was the first Indian scientist who nominated to Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha was known as the upper house of Indian Parliament and Lok Sabha was known as the lower house of Indian Parliament. Bose-Einstein equation is the famous equation of the Satyendra Nath Bose which explains the indivisible particles. Next, first scientist to become president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the first Indian scientist to become president of India. Next, first Asian to win Hoover Award, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the first Asian and the first Indian to win the Hoover Award. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the first to travel in INS Sindhu Rakshak submarine and Sukhoi warplane. He was the first Asian to win Hoover Prize also. His famous books are Wings of Fire, Ignited Minds, Inspiring Thoughts, India 2020, A Vision for the New Millennium. He was the chairman of the ISRO and also DRDO. He was the president to visit Siachen Glacier. In 1997, he became the scientific advisor to the defense minister. And in the year 1999, he was appointed as the chief scientific advisor. Next, First Indian to get knighthood award, Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore got knighthood award in the year 1915. Later, in the year 1919, he returned the knighthood award in protest against the Jallianwala Bagh massacre held in the year 1919. Next, first pilot, J.R.D. Tata. Jamshedji Tata was the first Indian pilot. He was also a well-known businessman. He established many enterprises in India. Next, first princely state to have its own university, Mysore. Mysore was the first Indian princely state to have its own university. Mysore University was established with the help of Vishvesvaraya. Next, first actress to nominated to Rajya Sabha, Nargis Dutt. Nargis Dutt was the first actress to be nominated to Rajya Sabha. Next, first Indian selected to Royal Society of London, Srinivas Ramanujan. Srinivas Ramanujan was the first Indian to be selected to the Royal Society of London. He was famous for his number 1729. The number theory says that the number 1729 is the sum of the cube of two different numbers, that is 12 cube plus 1 cube and 10 cube plus 9 cube. Next, first Governor General of Free India, C. Rajagopalachari. The first Indian Governor General of India was C. Rajagopalachari, and also he was the last Governor General of Free India. Next, first to cross English Channel, Mihir Sen. Mihir Sen was the Indian who crossed the English Channel. Next, first Commander-in-Chief of Free India, General K.M. Karyappa. General K.M. Karyappa was the first Commander-in-Chief of Defense in Free India. In memory of him, General K.M. Karyappa, Field Marshal K.M. Karyappa College was established in the district of Kodagu, Karnataka. Next, first person to be honored with the Jnanpith Award, G. Shankar Kurup. G. Shankar Kurup was the Malayali poet who got Jnanpith Award. Jnanpith Award is the highest award in the literacy work. His famous work was Vadal Kulal. Next, first Indian to get into Indian civil service, Satyendranath Tagore, in the year 1869. Satyendranath Tagore was the first Indian to get into Indian civil service in the year 1869. Now, the Indian Civil Service was renamed as Indian Administrative Service. The highest three Indian Administrative Service posts are Indian Administrative Service, Indian Police Service and IFRS. UPSC conducts the examination to these fields. Next, first High Court in India, Calcutta High Court. Calcutta High Court was the first High Court in India which was established in the year 1861. Calcutta was the capital of British in India. The capital of India from Kolkata to Delhi transferred in the year 1911. After that, Delhi was the capital of Free India. Next, first Magsaysay Award winner, Vinoba Bhave. Vinoba Bhave was the first Magsaysay Award winner of India. Vinoba Bhave worked for the upliftment of the leprosy patients. Next, first Governor General to introduce English medium education in India, Lord William Bentinck. Lord William Bentinck was the British Governor General who introduced the English medium education in India. He worked for the upliftment of the women and the child education. He abolished sati and he established universities in India along with Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Next, first judge of International Court of Justice, Dr. Nagendra Singh. Dr. Nagendra Singh was the first judge of International Court of Justice. The headquarters of ICJ is at Hague, Netherlands. The term of the judge of the International Court of Justice was 9 years. Next, First President of INC, W.C. Banerjee. Vimesh Chandra Banerjee was the first President of Indian National Congress, which was established in the year 1885. The INC was established by A.O. Hume. Next. First Chairman of United Nations General Assembly, Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Vijayalakshmi Pandit was the first Indian chairman and also the first women chairman of the United Nations General Assembly. United Nations General Assembly have other organs also like Security Council, General Assembly, Social and Economic Council, Trusteeship Council and so on. Next. First Oscar winner, Banu Athaiya. Banu Athaiya was the first Indian who won Oscar award. Oscar award was awarded in the field of film. Banu Athaiya got Oscar award for the best costume designer of the movie Gandhi. Next, India got first World Cup in the year 1983. In the year 1983, under the captainship of Kapil Dev, India got first World Cup in cricket. Again in the year 2011, India got second World Cup in cricket under the captainship of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Next, first fully literate district in India, Kottayam, Kerala. Kottayam district of Kerala was the first fully literate district in India. Kerala has the highest literacy rate compared to other states in India. On the other hand, Bihar having lowest literacy rate. The literacy rate of Kerala as per census 2011 was 93%. Next, first president to die in office, Dr. Zakir Hussain. Dr. Zakir Hussain was the first Indian president to die in office. Dr. Zakir Hussain awarded Bharat Ratna in the year 1963. He was known as the educational philosopher. His famous books are The Dynamic University, Capitalism, Essays in Undertaking. Next, first Prime Minister who did not face Parliament, Charan Singh. Charan Singh was the first Indian Prime Minister who did not face Parliament. The birthday of Charan Singh was celebrated as the National Farmers' Day. Next, first Miss World, Rita Faria. Rita Faria was the first Miss World of India. Next, first Miss Universe, Shushmita Sen. Shushmita Sen was the first Miss Universe from India. Next, first Chief Election Commissioner, Sukumar Sen. Sukumar Sen was the first Indian Chief Election Commissioner. The Chief Election Commissioner are elected by the President of India on the recommendation of the Council of Ministers headed by Prime Minister. The present Chief Election Commissioner was Sunil Arora. These all about first in India. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Young Minds GK. Thank you.